Hello there, or should I say, hi, Beatle fans, Wings fans. I'm very excited about today's show. We're gonna.
I am too.
We're gonna celebrate
Got the Wings pin on.
We're gonna celebrate the music of Wings, not necessarily Paul McCartney and Wings, but Denny Laine and Wings, featuring all the Wings members that weren't Paul McCartney, singing all the songs that they sang or co-wrote on. And we're going to have a great interview with drummer Steve Holley, who was the last drummer in Wings, and we're going to have some great stories from him. Very exciting. I'm just excited. And it's a Friday, so I get to drink, too.
Giraffe has got the happy hour sign
because
out.
Because it ends with the letter Y. That's right, when I get to drink. So I get excited on Fridays. See, there's a Y at the end. We are going to do a sound check called Junior's Farm. This is because Wings was started, by the way, 49 years ago earlier this week, right? On the 3rd. That's what according to Denny Laine's Facebook page. Awesome. It was August 3rd, 1971 that Wings was born. On a farm in Scotland. On a farm. See? That's why we're going to do Junior's Farm. Because that's where Wings was born. All right, then we'll come back at 3 o'clock and have a spectacular show. I've got about 22, 23, 24 songs. It'll be a good one. It'll be a good long one. I'll give you the history of Wings if you don't know more about it than it was just Paul McCartney's band. I'll tell you how it went and who the players were. Right now, let's sing one of the big hits, Junior's Farm.
Come with us to the farm.
And that's what a sound check is about. To see what it would sound like without the friggin' air conditioner. All right.
Yay!
I told you I was excited. A little excitable.
Gotta do my job.
Well, that won't be happening for the show.
No, it won't. We'll be back in about 30, 35 minutes. around 3 o'clock, 5 after 3. I'm not going to try to start late today because I got a lot to do and a lot to talk about.
And a lot of people to talk to.
A lot of people to talk to, that's right. We're going to open the door and let them all in. All right, we're going to celebrate Denny Lane and Wings starting at 3 o'clock. We'll see you then. Thank you very much. Get your guitars, get your drinks, gather your friends, get your whatever you want to do. Take your clothes off. Who cares? We can't see you.
Bras, whatever, doesn't matter. Let it go. It's Friday. And we hope you'll come
Freaky
back.
Friday.
Yes.
All right, see you then.
See you then, guys.